Welcome to the future of technology. Today, we are exploring the fascinating world of careers in quantum computing. This isn't just science fiction anymore, it's a rapidly growing industry with massive opportunities. We will break down the roles, the skills you need, and how you can get started in this revolutionary field. First, let's briefly define what we are talking about. Quantum computing isn't just about faster computers. It is a completely new way of processing information. While traditional computers use bits that are either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits. Thanks to physics principles like superposition and entanglement, these machines can solve specific complex problems in seconds that would take today's supercomputers thousands of years. So, why should you consider a career here? The growth is explosive. The market is projected to reach over $1 trillion in value by the mid-2030s. It is a sector with high global impact, tackling issues like climate change and drug discovery. Most importantly, there is a massive talent shortage. There are simply more jobs available than there are qualified people to fill them, which puts you in a great position. Let's look at the roles, starting with the builders, quantum hardware engineers. These are the people building the physical machines. They work with superconducting circuits, lasers, and cryogenics, cooling chips to temperatures colder than outer space. If you love physics, engineering, and working with your hands on cutting-edge machinery, this is the role for you. Next are the coders, quantum software developers. You cannot just run standard code on a quantum computer. These developers write the algorithms that translate real-world problems into quantum circuits. They build the operating systems, the compilers, and the cloud interfaces that allow researchers to access quantum processors from their laptops. Then we have the theorists, quantum research scientists. This is a highly academic role. These professionals are often inventing new types of qubits or proving mathematical theorems. They bridge the gap between pure theoretical physics and practical engineering. If you enjoy deep research and publishing papers, this is your track. What skills do you need? On the technical side, a strong foundation in mathematics is non-negotiable. Linear algebra is the language of quantum computing. You also need a solid grasp of physics, specifically the basics of quantum mechanics. You don't need to be a Nobel Prize winner, but you need to understand how wave functions and probability work. For programming, Python is the absolute king. You must know it. On top of Python, you will need to learn a quantum software development kit, or SDK. The most popular one right now is Qiskit by IBM, but there is also Circ by Google and others. Soft skills like problem-solving and critical thinking are equally important because you are often solving problems that have never been solved before. How do you get educated? A bachelor's degree in physics, math, or computer science is the standard starting point. For high-level research roles, a PhD is often required. However, for software engineering roles, we are seeing more people pivot from traditional tech jobs by using specialized certificates and boot camps. Where can you work? The landscape is diverse. You have the big tech giants like IBM and Google investing billions. You have prestigious universities and national labs doing fundamental research. And then you have a vibrant ecosystem of startups like Qiskit and IonQ that are pushing the boundaries of what's commercially possible. Let's talk numbers. Because of the talent shortage, salaries are very competitive. Entry-level positions often start well over $120,000 a year, with senior specialized roles commanding much more. We are currently in the early experimental era, but as we move toward fault-tolerant computing in the next decade, the demand for workers will only skyrocket. Ready to start? Begin by brushing up on your linear algebra and Python. Download a framework like Qiskit and try writing your first simple circuit. You can actually run your code on a real quantum computer through the cloud today for free. The quantum revolution is just beginning, and now is the perfect time to join.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.